Hi friends, let me show you these car seat covers, front car seat covers that I received for reviewing purposes. They are waterproof and they will help you protect your car seats or restore old car seats, okay? So they will look nice again. Okay. These ones are aimed for a car seat with a headrest, okay? We are going to install them. They have all the accessories and clips that you need to install them perfectly in your car seat, okay? And these are black color and they are compatible with a lot of car makes. You can check that out in the product description, okay? You get two, the set of two, and we are going to install them and try them. Let's go. As you can see, friends, these seat covers are great. They are really nice. They upgrade the look of my car. They have these small bags in the front to put whatever you want there. And they are fixed. This is the headrest unit. And these anchors will help you so the seat won't ever come off. Look how nice they look. They upgrade my car very nicely and they are fixed really tight to the seat, so they're great. If you need to upgrade the look of your car, if you need to have a nicer look in your old seats, these seat covers are great. Thank you.